Hi, I'm Nick Ionati with Casual Furniture Solutions, and today we're going to be replacing the canopy on your AKZ model umbrella or the AG28. It's basically the same process to do it. So we're going to take the old one off and put a new one on. So basically we're just going to crank it down and bring it in, and at the top there's going to be a piece of Velcro and a zipper. So we're just going to bring the ladder over. Find the Velcro, which is usually right behind, it's on the back side, right by the pole. So you'll take the piece of Velcro off, unzip the zipper, and literally it'll fall right off. Let's move that out of the way for now. So a lot of times over the years, you know, your fabric obviously gets beat up by the weather and the sun, and you'll need to replace these things. So this is a newer one, but I'm just going to put this one right back on just to show you how to do it. So it's a lot easier with two people to do this. The biggest issue you're going to have is there's these wind vents in there, and the ribs like to go through them, and you can't have that if you want to put it on properly. So I'm gonna just dive right into this thing and try to get it on without any help. So we'll see how this goes. So here's the top with the zipper and the Velcro. So you're gonna slide this right over or right around the umbrella and lift it up here. Obviously try to keep the ribs from going into it. Okay. Probably should have set my ladder up first. Pull that over. Then we're just gonna go all the way up with it. Now, what I always do first is get the Velcro attached so it's not so heavy. And then what you'll do is once you come on up on the ladder here, so just wrap this underneath the top. So wrap that right under the top there, and then stick the Velcro piece on, and then it's going to hold it in place, and then you can zip the zipper up and then just go all the way up with the zipper and then re-Velcro it and just get that right under that tab there. So that's that. So let's crank it up just a little bit so we can pop the ends in. So the rib ends are going to go into the pockets that are stitched onto the umbrella canopy. Move the ladder out of the way. So again, we'll just crank it up a little bit, just so it opens it up. I always like to have that seam with the zipper on it towards the back. So hopefully I got all these ribs through. Of course I didn't. So as you can see, that rib end didn't make it through. So I'm gonna take it down real quick and make sure that goes through there, and then I'll come right back and we'll continue on and put the rib ends into the pockets. All right, so we fixed that little rib that was going through there. So let's open this thing up. Just a couple cranks just to get it open so we can pop the rib ends into the pockets easily. Again, I like to have the, there, you want to come over here? This is the Velcro with the zipper in it. I like to put it on the back side of it. So we'll start here and line that up, and it's really just pulling the fabric around that rib end and sliding it right on the into the pocket. There's 8 of these to do. And again, it's easier to do with 2 people. popping these into place. Okay. Now that they're all in place, just want to crank it all the way up, stretch the fabric out, and you should be good to go. All right. So that's replacing a canopy on either the AKZ models, any of the models, and then the AG28. So if you have any questions or you're looking for a new canopy, just come to my webpage, www.casualfs.com.